Una vez más.
Una vez más.
Alright, so I got the Borla exhaust installed, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and turn on the engine and rev it a little bit. Let me find something to put the phone down, and you'll see what it sounds like. Let me just go ahead and put it right there. Let me zoom out. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, it definitely sounds mean. Hope that was helpful. Peace.